Hello everyone, so today we're going to do a quiz on IXL. There are two assignments, so it's going to be grade 7 and it's going to be S5 and S6. So S5 is just one step equation, so just add 8 to both sides, right? T equals 10. Okay, and then, just keep going. Divide both sides by 2, it will be 7. Divide by 5, it will be 4. Multiply by 20. Now, if you can't do that multiplication, you can't do negative 19 times 20, use a calculator or scratch it out. Okay, as you get higher up, the numbers are going to get a little bit bigger. So you may need a calculator to help you out, or look, that's the same one. Okay, or like this, if you start getting into decimals, just use a calculator, it's okay. All right, so that's that one. Now, for the next one, I don't know why I didn't click back, that was pretty dumb of me. So that was S5, grade 7, and then your other one is S6, grade 7. All right, this is the same idea, but now this is 2 steps. So let me do at least this one with a few with you. So we got, I'm not going to write, yes it is. So we got 2 equals 2y minus 4. Remember, we're going to start with the side with the variable. So that's over here on the right. We're going to start with the regular numbers first that don't have letters attached to them. So add 4 and add 4. We'll have 6 equals 2y divided by 2. And y equals 3. Okay, just remember all you have to put is 3. Right, don't put y equals 3 because that will mark it wrong. It's like the y equals is already there for you. Okay, that's kind of the same idea. All right, this fraction one. Get a blank page. M over 3 plus 8 equals 10. And I'm also going to do m plus 8 over 3 equals 10. So you can see the difference. Okay, so this is the one that's actually here, and this is one I just made up based off of this one. So this one, first things first, we're going to minus 8 from both sides. So we'll get m over 3 equals 2. It is really hard to write with a mouse. And then we're going to multiply both sides by 3 to cancel out those 3's. And remember, these cancel, so it's not 9. This just m equals 6. And for this one, now the 8 is with the m. So this one is the same process, but it's opposite. So we actually multiply by 3 first. We'll get m plus 8 equals 30. And then minus 8 from both sides. And m will be 22. Okay, but this one it's 6. All right, that's the one I just made up. Okay, now let's jump a few levels here. That one's straightforward. Okay, here, watch your negative. You're going to have to divide by negative 8 here after you add 10. Right, and then now plus negative 10, that's a z. Let me do this thing, make it look like a z. Plus negative 10 is the same thing as minus 10. So if you want to rewrite it that way and get rid of that plus, because that plus you might minus 10 from both sides, you can do that. So plus negative 10 is the same thing as regular minus 10. And then you just add 10. Add 10. 72 equals negative 8z. And now the important part, make sure you divide by -8, and you'll get -9 equals Z. And we covered one like that. And now if you get big numbers, I don't know if it's going to show it or not, but like let's say you get 152 equals 2y minus -350. Okay. Now remember that double minus, that's not this one. This is just an example here. Let me blow this up. That double minus sign, remember, turns into a plus. So it's really 152 equals 2y plus 350. And now if you have to get out a calculator, that's okay. Minus 350 from both sides, and minus 350 from here. This is going to be kind of ugly. It's going to be a negative number because 350 is bigger than 152. All right, if you have to scratch it out. All right, it's the same thing as 350 minus 152. There's all kinds of borrowing here. 4, 10, 8, got to borrow from here. 14 minus 5 is 9. So that'd be -198 equals 2y. Okay, and then divide by 2. And you'll get about 198 divided by 2. 100, -99. -99 will be your answer. Okay, so that's your assignment for today. Again, the grade you get is the grade you get. I'll average the two of them. So if you get like 100 on one of them and a 50 on the other, your grade would be a 75. And it's going to be a quiz grade.